I'm Dr. Anup Brahmbhatt from CB Physiotherapy. I have completed my graduation in 2008 from Oxford College of Physiotherapy. I have a specialization in Osteopath, Modified Chiropractic, Dry Needling and Kinesiology Taping. We practice in Bangalore, Jayanagar, Jayanagar, Sarjapura, Whitefield and Kanakpura Road. See, as per the latest requirement, many patients ask us that what are all best exercises during this pandemic of COVID-19 we can do it. See, physiotherapy plays a vital role in a coronavirus. We help you to expand your lungs in such a way that the infection comes down. So we will be showing you 2 to 3 demonstration exercises of the best active and passive exercises of breathing techniques which you can follow at home at your convenient place, which will increase your lung capacity.
So today I'll be starting with few breathing exercises which will increase your lung capacity. So for this, you need to stand up on your position, straight your hands and then lift it up. Okay, then bring it down. So when you're lifting your hand up, it's a breathe in position, and when you're taking your hand down, it's a breathe out position. So while breathing, you have to breathe in through nose and breathe out through your mouth. Okay, so it goes like this. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then breathe out. Take your hand slowly. The same thing you can repeat for 5 times. For the second thing, the same. Breathe in. Hold it for 10 seconds. Relax. When you're coming back, take it slow. This is your second. Third one, keep your hands on side, bring it up, breathe in, hold it for 10 seconds, relax, breathe out. So now we'll proceed with alternate nostril breathing. For that, you need to take your hand, put your thumb over your one nostril and other finger on the other one. So you will be removing your thumb like this, breathe in. Hold it for 10 seconds. Then cover up this nostril with the thumb, and with the other nostril you have to breathe out. Same thing, repeat from this nostril, breathe in. Hold it for 10 seconds. Breathe out.